Hello, I'm here today to review such an amazing ultrasound device here for cleaning your items like your ring or glasses, jewelries, teeth dentures, and much more. Absolutely fantastic and portable, as you can see here, with the charger as well. Let's go ahead and use it, talk about all the options here, show you how fantastic it is. Let's go ahead and review the ultrasonic cleaner together and apply it together as well. So it comes with a wipe that you can actually wipe the items after you're done cleaning it. And also here it comes like the manual, of course, for it, and also the charger and the other tools as well with the ultra box itself. It's amazing size, as I can tell here. It's portable, super easy to have it everywhere. Comes here with the topper as a plastic clear top here for it, so you can cover it with it. Also has here the holder for your accessories, and so if you want to use it. And also, of course, the charger that you plug it in and it's going to be ready to go. I'm going to go through all the options here that comes with it, and I'm going to try it with some items here. I have my glasses. It's recommended to work with glasses, but not a sunglasses though. This is what it said. So I got my just reading glasses, and I'm going to actually clean it. As you can see, it have prints everywhere, so I'm going now to apply it and take it out and dry it out, and then I will show you the difference before and after. And so this is obviously before, and you have to lay down the item first and then apply the water. It has a max sign inside the box as well. You cannot like exceed that. And also just apply the water, cover it, choose the options, and it has here multiple options for it, of course, for accessories, for a disinfection, and for glasses, and for others as well. Each option of them has a time limit, so whenever it's done, it will stop. For example, here for the glasses, it will take 3 minutes and it will stop automatically. So now it's on. As you can see the UV, and you can see the ultrasonic already waves inside, and you can of course hear it as well. And also it's working now, so I'm going to leave it for this 3 minutes and come back to you and show you the glasses after that. So now I'm going to take the glasses out and also dry it out with the thing that they provided for us. And next I'm going to apply my jewelry, my diamond ring. I'm going to actually clean it and try to clean it with you guys. So it's super easy to take it out. Just take the lid off. You can dip your hand inside and also pick it up, of course, and wipe it off with the wipes that they give it to you. And voila, it's super easy, it's ready to use, it's super clean from all directions. As you can see here, I'm going to just make sure it's dry all the way, so no any hydration or any condensation happening here from the water. I will make sure to erase it so you can see the clear glass now. It's super clear now with just a wipe off the water from the back side and the front side. And look at this, even the glass handles as well are super clean. As you can see here, I definitely love it so much.
I love how it makes it clean. Let's go ahead and try to clean my ring here. So once I apply it on top of this stand, it's a little bit above the line of the water that I have, so I'm going to add a little bit more water and make sure it's on the maximum side. It's not exceeding the maximum side as well. I'm going to use this time the accessories, which is going to be like around 4 minutes. I'm going to leave it, of course, just one touch. It's done now, and after the 4 minutes, and I'm going to get my ring out and dry it off as I did before with the glasses and show it to you directly. Definitely you can see now even the diamond is way shinier now, and I will show you after I wipe it as well how shiny it's going to be. You can tell here from the bigger diamond what you can see. It's super shiny. Even there is no light actually on top of this diamond ring, as you can see, but now you can see how shiny it is. And also I'm going to show you the other one as well. Look at that, all the diamonds are clean, are shiny. Definitely there is a difference between the before I dip it in and after I took it off. As you can see here, it is actually a beautiful machine. I definitely love it so much. I like the way that it is portable as well. Look at that, the ring, it looks fantastic. After that, the glass is amazing. You can actually clean multiple items, chairs,